Here's how to check if your router supports 160 MHz channels or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your mobile phone and go to the Wi-Fi and connection center. Now what you need to do is to scroll down and see if the channel 160 MHz is indicated to the information of your Wi-Fi. If it's not, then it is not supported by your router. Now, the next thing that you can do is that you can go ahead and copy the configuration number and just go ahead and search to the Google the configuration number. So you can put the configuration number and ask, is configuration number supports 160 MHz? And as you can see, it answered that the IP address or the IP address that you have is a merely common default gateway address used to access a router's configuration settings, and it does not support a 160 MHz. And that is how you see or check and confirm if supports 160.